Okay, for the right hand, we have C. Pero imbes na C, meron tayong tinatawag na first inversion. So, this is C, E, G. Ang first inversion is sa E ka magsa-start. E, G, and C. Second inversion, sa G ka na magsa-start. G, C, E. Pero sa first tayo sa E, G, C. Tapos, the other chord is F. So, F, A, C. So, yung original na F lang. And then, the last one is A minor. Ang original na A minor is A, C, E. So, usog natin para malapit dito. C, E, E. A is the first inversion. E, A, C is the second inversion. Hindi nakita yung kamay. Yan. So, C, C, E, C, ay, E, G, C. So, pwede nyo isulat yan. No place I would rather be. F, A, C. No place I would rather be. E, A, C. No place I would rather be. And F, A, C. Here in your love, here in your love. Paulit-ulit lang. No place I would rather be. No place I would rather be. A, E, A, C. No place I would rather be than here in your love, here in your love. Tapos sa left hand naman, C, G, C. Isa lang, ganyan. Tapos, F, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, and F. 3, 4. So, ganito siya. Pag pinay ko to, C muna, C, E, G. So, E, G, C.